Hey everyone, it's Lauren and today I am doing my January Uppercase unboxing. I just got it in the mail today and I am super excited to be digging in here and seeing what there is. There's something kind of squishy, so I'm really curious about that. I'm also hanging out in a new location today. This is one of my other bookshelves. I have four. They're not all huge, but I keep them all pretty packed with books. There's another shelf down here that you can't see that's packed with different kinds of books. So we're just mixing it up a little bit. Some of my favorite fantasy books are here, like my Harry Potter books and all of my Lord of the Rings and Chronicles of Narnia books. So also some of my different Funko figurines that I've gotten over the years that I really enjoy. But let's dig in here because this crinkles and it's kind of soft and I want to know what's in here. So I could go for that first, but I'm first going to feel around and see. It's the packaging slip, so that'll go directly on the floor right there, and I'll look at that in a little bit. Okay, I think we're going to go for this. It's squishy. I don't know what it is, so let's open it up. It has tassels, so it might be a scarf. I think, I'm not sure. It is, oh my gosh. So it is a bookish scarf. I keep on looking at different ones online and I keep on almost getting them. It's Alice in Wonderland. Oh my goodness, and look at this. It has different parts of the book and like look at these illustrations on here. It's really soft, so we're just gonna put that right there. I am loving this. Oh my gosh. Next there's something, it feels like a magnet. It's a magnet. I think this is either for the book or for one of the author's other books. It says Frostblood by by Ellie Blake. Reading's hard sometimes. There's, I don't know what this is. Is it a bookmark? It looks like a book. It was just kind of floating around in there. It's cool, I think. I don't know what it is. There is the Uppercase codes to look at the different exclusive materials from Uppercase. And then there's the book. Ooh, this is pretty. Frostblood by Ellie Blake. So, just what this magnet was. The reign of ice must end. This looks dramatic. Like all Uppercase books, it's signed, which is a really cool perk of Uppercase. I haven't heard of this author, so give me a second. I'm gonna pop in and read a little bit about this book. Okay, now this sounds interesting. Oh my gosh, this sounds interesting. So Ruby is 17 years old and she's the main character and she's a fireblood. So she has heat and fire powers, but the ruling class where she is from are frostbloods. So there's some really interesting kind of power dynamic going on here with the conflicting powers. And there's rebels, as there always is in these kinds of stories with these kinds of ruling classes and kingdoms set up. So it's the first in a series, so if I enjoy this book, then I know that there's a lot more that I can read from that, so I'm super excited. And as for what it looks like, it's just a very simple black book with red embossed text on the spine. This really seems to be the trend for the books that I've been getting recently, just very simple covers, nothing really on them, just matte colors with embossed text on the spine, which is fine. It's still cool. It's still a new book, which I get really excited about. So I'm excited to dig into this. I haven't really heard of this author before. So have you guys heard of Ellie Blake? Have you read any of her other works, if she's written other books? If so, let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Have you heard of Frostblood? If so, are you excited? If not, from hearing a little bit about this book, is this something that you think you'd pick up? Go ahead and join me down below in the comments to chat. So to recap what was in this box, there's this scarf, this Alice in Wonderland scarf that I'm still wearing. There is the book Frostblood by Ellie Blake. We have the Uppercase codes and page numbers for the Uppercase exclusive content. We have the Frostblood magnet. Oh my gosh! So, this is cool. This little thing, which I did not know what it was, I was just looking at what came in my box, and it is a book seed paper and it's an herb mix from Bloomin'. So there's a URL here so I can learn how to plant my seed paper, but these are seeds in here. Like, you can't tell, but there's little bumps and there's seeds in here so I can plant this and get herbs. Now that is cool. So I'm really happy with this box, guys. Like, this is pretty darn cool. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to keep seeing videos from me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.